Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. Bitcoin ETFs went live today. A lot of other things also happened, including CPI data. We had 30-year bond auctions. Oh my God, everything has happened that needs to happen. Where do we go from here? That is really the main takeaway from today's stream, and we are going to get all into it. But before we do, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. The goons are already in, so you need to join us too. Hit that subscribe, help grow the goon gang. We would love to have you. Smoke that like button as well. But, any interaction is helpful. So, guys, I do want to get all into the market. But isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy with all the speculation the last few days? We're finally at the approval stage, and then we get Vanguard, who just isn't playing ball, right? So it's like, dude, what the hell? Everyone else is in Vanguard. What's wrong with you, right? So we are going to discuss that during the news as well. But I do want to start off with the market, and most importantly of them all, it's that global crypto market cap, 1.77 trillion. So we have gone up since yesterday by 0.01, right? So I think we're 1.76 and now we're at 1.77. So very slight movement up, but up is always good. The real winner for today really ended up being Ethereum, almost 14% up uh, in the last 7 days, compared to last week. But in the grand scheme of things, we did have a slight pullback of almost a point. At the greed. So we're at 73 now. So almost everything market wise does appear to be pretty much neutral, if not pumped from last week. So you're in a much better stage today than you were last week. And the question is, where do we go from here? Well, this is why we have the dominance, right? And one of the main things I have, to be completely honest, is the BTC dominance is dipping regardless of the price going up or even being higher than, let's say, 40K, right? So we are seeing the dominance diminish. We're hitting that 51%, but Ethereum dominance continues to go up, right? So now people are banking on the Ethereum ETFs being next, as well as the XRP ETFs, right? So XRP community also has something going for them as well. So a lot of things to look out for. We are ready. It's a brand new day. We're going to really count for at least a consolidation. I think the pullback we've had is still not enough. We're going to continue to see where it's going to go to. We've seen BNB's dominance at 3%. Solana's dominance has diminished too. At one point, it did take BNB, and now it's back to below BNB, right? So a lot of things going on. Let me check in with the chat real quick. Smash that like button on the way in the door. Steve the Canadian, always a pleasure. And oh hey, indeed. Cody, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Triple G's. Hey, Teddy and the Goons, Coochie boy. What's going on, Coochie boy? How are things? We are just taking it all in one day at a time. And yesterday was a wild. We rode so many of those wins. Today, I didn't really have too much of a chance to play the game, but got to give credit where credit is due. ENS, Ethereum Classic, SUI, Tesla's, dude, all these coins have killed it today. And it's just very nice to see that we are seeing that positive traction up. So I am expecting some consolidation. I know ENS still has a lot more that it can pump in the grand scheme of things, but it's definitely nice to see that we are above. At one point we're looking at it when it was like $12, right? So very, very nice. We're going to continue to monitor what happens, but keep in mind, number one trending still ends up being our boy Bitcoin. So this is not a paid trending. This is true trending. So people are looking at Bitcoin. They are looking at that price. They are finding their entry point. Now, if BTC starts consolidating, it could only be up from here. The money path for Bitcoin ETFs is in. So the guys that want to get in, they know how, and this is going to be their opportunity. So we are keeping track of it as well. Hey, William, nice to see you, buddy. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking in. I appreciate that. I appreciate that indeed. We're just talking about the market. Things have progressed. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, sorry, I didn't even realize the screen wasn't full screen. Teddy, what the hell? Why you do that to us? Why you do that to us? I'm sorry, buddies. There you go. Now you can see it. Yeah, so very, very, very neutral market today, but even in the neutral market, we are seeing good pumps. So obviously now is not the time to get into this. They've already pumped, and you look into some other ones that haven't pumped, like INJ. Hey, it's having a pullback. I wonder why. Maybe I should get in, right? Like people are fans of INJ, and it's really held its own into the year. So we are looking at good entry points now. So don't just go tunnel vision. Oh dang, FTX token making a comeback. $2.82, bro. I got in at $3. 301, 301. What the hell? Retraced. 488 at one point. Oh my god. Imagine it makes the comeback. The comeback of a lifetime, Teddy. It's $6 from $2.99. Actually, this don't look too bad. Dang, I kind of want some FTX now. Where do you buy FTX? BEP2. Get the hell out of here. Can I buy it on Solana? I can buy it on ETH too. Oh, snap. Oh, SK. What's going on, buddy? Whoa. What's going on with you? Tell us everything. How's life? What are you up to? How are things progressing on your side? Fill us in. Fill us in. We want to know everything. Any more travel logs? We want to watch. Where was that? Oh, yes. So continuing on with the market, the fun has started. We are leaning towards not quite altcoin week, but not quite Bitcoin week. So normally this was pegged at Bitcoin week and was all Bitcoin week. So that's why even today's stream, I'm like, hey, are we starting to look at other altcoins that are going to open up for those ETF applications, right? So people banking on XRP, people banking on ETH, people are going to bank on Solana. They're going to come. So if you want to buy the rumor, sell the news, find your entry points in and know when the consolidation points are in the market and when potential application approvals could be in the pipeline. So it's only rumors that seem to be pumping the prices. So keep that in mind, boys. Keep that in mind. Oh boy. Oh boy. So yes, BTC shorts versus longs. Guys, we are looking at a 37.63 percent long. So that's not too crazy when you think about what happened yesterday with all the uncertainty. So now people may be positioning themselves to go bullish a lot more than, remember, in the past 50-50 was the norm for BTC. Now we are seeing the long positions come in. And while for Ethereum, we've seen normally a 70-30 split. Now the shorts are going up. And as I said, I do believe every time Ethereum hits one of those resistance levels, like 2,600, they're shorting it. And that's potentially what we're seeing when the shorts accumulate, especially when the price actions towards those resistance levels, right? So quite interesting indeed, but we like to keep an eye on it. We want to know what the market is like and what's going on. Let's go on here. Was busy riding with 150 bikers in the month of December. Now busy back with work, usual routine day. Dude, what? 158 bikers? What kind of ride was that? That must have been one long ride. All right, boys, we are going to move over to the news. And the news is a part of the stream where we really want to dive into all things crypto. And this point, I do want to focus in on what happened with Vanguard, and even with all the craziness, Bitcoin's holding its own as we speak right now. So Vanguard comes out, they go, our perspective is that these products do not align with their offer focused on asset classes such as equities, bonds, and cash, which Vanguard views as the building blocks of a well balanced long term investment portfolio. So, Vanguard, who is offering these investment opportunities, has basically dropped the ball, and people are upset. For as much as Vanguard like wants to be all high and mighty and be like, hey, this is a dumb thing to offer to our investor groups. Most of those investors are like, you guys are dumb for not offering this, and they moved over to Fidelity, right? So there is another article that comes out, and they're like, even though Vanguard shunned the Bitcoin ETFs, those customers actually ended up going to crypto-friendly competitors like Fidelity. So Fidelity got most of those um, customers to come into their platform, and they were able to purchase the ETF. So very, very sad that Vanguard chooses to um, basically black wall, just put a wall up. I don't even know what they're. Yeah, F Vanguard. Exactly, exactly. This is literally making no sense to most people. It's like in the era of adoption, in the era of making historical progress, especially with the clown like Gary Gensler, who's finally approved it. That took him this long, in order to be forced to approve, right? And expedite. We finally got to this point. And now we know, hey, the money can come in, and we have to see where this is going to consolidate. I believe it is. Now the question is, how much is it going to consolidate? Because there are people now in that bought BTC at 49K, right? So we've seen BTC go up like crazy at the start of the market. People were buying it up. They're not going to want to sell for losses, especially those 401k strategies and stuff. So I do believe that when it comes down to it, they will uh, continue to give good volume. So even here, highlighting that the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust converted into spot Bitcoin ETF led the pack with 2.3 billion in trading volume. So this isn't anything to look over, gloss over. This is like true adoption happening, and in the weeks ahead, it's truly going to tell us, whether Vanguard was right in not offering these and hurting their investors, or Vanguard was wrong and they're going to be left buying BTC, for their own portfolios at a higher premium, because it sounds like they're not even in. And there is speculation. I've gone through both of these articles, and as well as uh, the decision to um, not come in and offer those ETFs. And I go, what? Like, who was the guy that decided to do this? And it sounded like people did analyze it, and they're saying it's the banks and the availability of the money, that they just don't trust it as an asset class. So it's not truly the company overall, it's just the asset managers that are looking at it and the long-term investment, and they just don't um align with that. So because of that, right now they're saying no, but in the future they could say yes, but that decision could cost them millions, is my feeling. So yeah, very, very interesting. What's with Advantis token? Why there is a positive move up recently? Even Advantis, I think Advantis was on top gainer here too. Let me see. Advantis. Oh, it was A Star. I thought I saw Advantis just recently. Maybe that was on Dex Tools when I was looking earlier. I'll take a look. Don't you forget, buddy. Don't you forget. So I do want to continue on. Valkyrie exec expects SEC to approve XRP ETF. And this article goes, can it hit $100? Guess what? It's clickbait. It's not going to hit $100 anytime soon. This is years ahead. I've read all the way to the end of the article. You don't have to waste your effort, but it is still a very interesting article, especially talking about what the Bitcoin ETFs did for the Bitcoin price and what XRP ETFs could do to the XRP price. And XRP being ISO 222 standard approver under Ledger, you go, hey, this is easy integration to the FedNow system. So maybe that could be a potential into something more that's going to help XRP get to the $100. So it's not likely happening the next few years. However, they do doubt it's going to happen. And approval is going to help propel that. So I do believe $1 can be achieved, but past $1 is definitely going to be reliant on the bull run, is my feeling. But it does feel like people are gearing up for altcoin season. And that was Valkyrie. All right. So then moving on, Solana. We have to look at Solana. People always asked, hey, what's the entry point? We told them to get in at $40. We told them to get in at $80. We told them to get in at $100. Solana is now under $100. It's at 98. And we still say, hey, if you are in it for the long term and you're looking at Solana's overall price action, the 150 to 165 is still short term for me, right? I'm going longer term than 150 and 165. I'm going 240, $300 truly long term. Acquire now for the future. And I think that could well play out even more than the short-term goals. But everyone has a different strategy to apply when it comes to the market. So it's all preference. There is no right or wrong. XRP gonna hit 10,000 Q3 2024. Let's go, Cody. Let's go. I really hope so, buddy. But unfortunately, the way the dominance works, it's Bitcoin would have to be 1 million at that point. Oh boy, wouldn't we be so happy if Bitcoin was 1 million? Let me see here. I think that's all the news I had. Pretty light today, but that is only because we are making history. So I will move over to the chats. Daddy, I need to look at the chats. Boys, it is looking real good. It's a brand new day. Brand new day, not looking good. A little bit of retracement. It looks like we dipped below 46K. Look how nicely fib retracement caught support, right? 45,905. And I tell you guys, everyone uses fib retracements. I'm not coming in and drawing up these lines, right? So this is true mental levels these guys use in their head. And you see BTC bounced back. It may recover if it pushes back above, but the real goal is today it needs to break over 49,000. Otherwise, I'm taking profits because this appears like a consolidation candle. And anytime we have that, we've seen that consolidation push back up, have another push up, but it's just gonna potentially be a long way. So I don't know where I am in this consolidation. Hopefully it's not like this. But it is something to keep an eye on. So my 0.618 is if it falls below 43,945 and there is no recovery back to the 43,945 level, I am bearish on BTC. Where I go completely bullish, and yet again, we talk about the 1.618 level. We have charted this before. Look how nicely we are above the profit-taking margin. It's even making headway to that 2,865. So I do believe once we get some retracement, I move the fib retracement, we may see even more positive price action, potentially moving past 2,900, guys. Like really, 2,865 is that level of resistance on the fib retracement. You're looking at Triple G as well. Triple G indicator built by our very own SK. You go, wait a second. Everything is pointing to a potential another price action going for Ethereum. So we did have the Andean oscillator crossover, and we're back in the fun. So quite interesting indeed. With ETH and now BNB, it's a little bit different story, but we're seeing that positive price action, right? So we talked about 320 being, hey, if it closes above 320, we're going super bullish on BNB. It hasn't quite given up yet. It fought hard. It did dip below our fib retracement chart here, which was 290, dip below 290, guys, and it did bounce back up to 307, where it's currently holding. So still, Indian Oscillator shows a potential bullish movement. We know the long has stayed, but keep your eyes on that fib retracement because it has played out so nicely. And then Solana, same exact story as yesterday. We are seeing straight consolidation. I know it's a red candle right now, but we saw the Indian Oscillator flip over. We saw the narrowing. It looks like it's widened a little today, but it's still pretty narrow compared to previous times, right? So this could still flip over. I'm just assuming this is a consolidation and an unknown circumstance with the investors. They're just like, I don't know, it could go down, it could go up, so they're basically nervous right now. Mabang got listed on CMC today. SK's awesome indicators, sir, and we always give SK credit no matter what. So we love the Triple G indicator, one of the best indicators on the YouTube platform. So yeah, very, very nice, guys. Loved it. And we also looked at XRP yesterday, and we were like, hey, if it goes above the 0.618, we go super bullish on XRP. And guess what? We are above the 0.618, and we're still above the 0.618. I still go, hey, 72 cents is next. So 59 is an entry point I'm okay with. If it falls below 58, that's when I start to worry. But as of right now, I am pretty bullish. Indian Oscillator, super narrow, hoping for another crossover and a long to come in there as well. Shiba Inu, look how narrow it's getting. It's really pushing towards that 1.618. I really want to get to 4013, but we'll wait. We'll wait. At least it broke that zero, and at least lost to zero finally, so that's good. That was from 8 to 1. That's not bad. Doge, we're gonna make it all back. No, it's still pretty much bullet. Bearish, sorry. See how narrow Shiba Inu's Indian Oscillator is. Doge is getting there, but it's not quite got that buying pressure as Shiba Inu does. And Shiba Inu does a good job pumping out the news articles and keeping themselves relevant, and the community is definitely a shilling community. So we are oh wait, Pepe had a crossover on the Indian Oscillator. Okay, so we got to keep in mind, if Triple G puts a long on Pepe could go bullish again. Maybe we'll see 1539. Oh, imagine it's a battle between Pepe and Shiba Inu, bro. Oh, dang, that would be wild. And Dogecoin's the original meme coin, and oh, so many things. My bank, my bank, and my bong. So we saw this yesterday. The long position came in on Bonk. We've told everybody Indian Oscillator still hasn't flipped over, but it has narrowed. So we go, hey, potential long position sustained on Bonk. Then, I go, Solana's going to go long. Bonk's going to go long. Bong is going to go long. They're all definitely looking at good potential runs because of that Solana ecosystem, right? If Solana goes up, they're all going to go up. Shib 2201, let's make it happen. Please make it happen. I would be the happiest guy in the entire world. Oh, Teddy. That's what they always say. Oh, Teddy. Oh, boy. Guys, I do want to give you that reminder. Starting next week, we only stream 2 times a week. 2 times a week. It is going to be a change, and a change that is very unexpected on your side. But it is what we need to do in order to stay relevant with this YouTube algorithm. So daily crypto streams doesn't seem to be helping with the YouTube SEO. So my channel guys have recommended I cut the streams down to 2 and also add 2 more videos on the crypto side, similar to Explore the Weird. And I know you guys follow me on Explore the Weird. You will see we'll start putting out some more crypto content. And for those of you guys that are like, Teddy, what's Explore the Weird? Guys, we have a whole nother reaction channel you can go check out, Explore the Weird. It's doing fairly well, you know. We're finding some good traction there. Still a goon gang over there. Still, you'll feel right at home. Go check it out as well. Comment, like, do all the good stuff. Put out a video today as well. Yeah, it's a quite interesting uh, channel as well, reaction channel. Let me see. What days you gonna do crypto live? I'm gonna do Monday and I'm gonna do Thursday. Monday and Thursday. As of right now, those seem to be the best metrics. So this is the Thursday gang. You guys are in. How does it feel to be in the in crowd? Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Let me see here. All right, so I think pretty much went through the charts. Let me move over to Goon Time. I'm gonna go look at SK's Adventus. I want to do some exploring, Teddy. Exploring, Nardam. All right, Adventus. Adventus. Totally a rug pull. Oh, God. This is why it sounds familiar. I knew it. I knew it. I was like, why have I heard of this? Where did I see this before? Okay, so it's up 6% on the day. Last 7 days, up 80%. Someone knows something, bro. They must be getting ready to release a product or something. They're about to reach their all-time high again. Oh, that's crazy. 3 million market cap. Oh, boy. They're only on Uniswap? They're not on any other exchanges? Oh, wow. That is interesting. Totally a rug pull. Actually still making it. Did they ever make their bot? Is the bot still a thing? Can we do some research here? Let me see. Adventus, start using Adventus.ai Outlook now. AI Outlook, you'll be able to feel more secure. This is a platform for any level. Will tell you when you should or should not invest. What? We'll tell you when you should or should not invest. Okay. Billions of dollars lost annually. Adventus AI look like AI powered. The protection. So is this out? Is this released? This is released. Okay. Start your journey here. Okay, they have a honeypot checker and final score. So yeah, they're actually doing a check here. So what can we actually check for? Add search input ETH or BSC contract. Monday, depending if I can at work. Thursday, I'll be here every time, probably. Damn it, Cody. What are the days you can do? What are the days you can do? Next BTC halving event. This is pretty cool, man. I like their layout a lot. It's very Dex toolsy, but much different. View contract, white paper, Telegram. Yeah, this is. So how do I need a Dex tools. Dex tools, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. All right, let's see, boys and gals. We are about to test Adventus AI's utility. All right, hey, let's do Mickey. We're in Mickey. Hey, hot number one. Let's go. We're going to make it all back, Teddy. Oh, 207. Damn it, Teddy. 410K in LP. Damn it, Teddy. Damn it. All right, where do I copy? Okay, got the thing. Boom. Paste. Enter. Yeah. I'm going with the first one. Oh, whoa, it's thinking. Ayo, 97% locked LP. Okay. Top holders checks out. AI score. So what's the AI score? Just a check mark? So you might differ from those in a more advanced AI. All right, interesting. Token liquidity, holders, volume, greed. Oh, I like the fear and greed. Is this really fear and greed for Mickey or fear and greed for the market? Feels like it's for the market. Okay, yeah, so it seems to check out. That's basically what it says. Yo, 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 why no pumps yet? Dude, it's because people are consolidating. And then stocks only trade during the day, so we may only see those pumps in the mornings now that there's ETFs. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it, but it's definitely interesting that it hasn't stayed at 49K, but it is expected to have consolidation, especially after a great all-time high. So we'll see if it does that reversal and continues to pump into tomorrow. I thought the ETF was going to cause Bitcoin to move. We were supposed to get to 54K, Tony. Yeah, many people did. Even people got into Coinbase, right? And did stuff there, but still, the speculation is not going to be enough to push BTC's price up. We need more investors coming in and buying up BTC. So that's really what's going to be the end all be all for BTC's price action to continue to go up. All the hype over an ETF and it didn't do shit. Yeah. Valid point indeed. Where do we go from here, Teddy? Slow and steady growth. That's the thing, William. You got it. All right. So, yeah, I checked out Adventus. I would say they got definitely some stuff cooking here. Adventus AI University. What the hell? Available courses. Analyzing token contracts for red flags. $97. Enroll now. Oh, here we go. Register today. Course curriculum. What happens? Okay, interesting. It's free, Teddy. University.adventisttoken.com. Must be using something. Interesting. All courses. 3 courses. All right. Looks like they made some progress there. How do I go back? Take me back to the homepage, damn it. All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, so far everything seems good. Adventus AI scanner. So this, I guess, is the same thing. Install on Discord, available on Discord and Telegram, but it says coming soon. Install Adventus into your server. Arbitrum Polygon. Okay. What can the scanner do for you? Know the risks. Know the risks, Teddy. It looks like they did have Telegram because this. Oh no, this is Discord interface. Oh yeah, this is Discord interface. So Telegram is coming soon. Okay, so they got to reuse some APIs and redo all this. Oh, this is what the Pro version reads. So maybe they have the Telegram version releasing soon, and that's why you need 100 million Adventist tokens. How much? How much is 100 million Adventist tokens? Let's see. 100. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is it? Error fetching price $452. $452 gets you into their platform. And their platform. All right. Interesting. I just got off work. I'm so tired of working. I want to be free, bro. You and me both, bro. You have no idea. Now they must resell it to retail investors. They've been accumulating smart money, had already bought all BTC they needed. Yeah, smart money already bought it. All right. Quite interesting. Anything else you guys want me to take a look at? Do speak now, or I go bye bye and you only see me 2 times next week and you go, "What happened, Teddy? What happened? I was used to you 4 times a week and now you only come 2 times." Yeah, sometimes that's what happens. I want to be like Teddy. No, you don't want to be like Teddy. Teddy, no fun. It's miserable being me, buddy. It's not it is not a fun as you think it is. Every day it is always thinking about what to do next. It's fully ADHD all the time. ADHD all the time, 24/7. Can you handle it? H bar, let's go. Peek at Bird Eye Hot Gems. Okay, first H bar, then Bird Eye Hot Gems. H bar, Teddy, H bar, Teddy. I need that H bar in my life. Short signal stayed, but oh yeah, this Indian oscillator does appear to go narrow on H bar. So you're at what, 8 cents right now, dude? Imagine you push that up, you turn that to a long. The last long took it from 4 cents to 8 cents. You know, the next long could push it back up to almost what, 20 cents? That'd be amazing, dude. Maybe something's happening with H bar, Teddy. The bull run's coming back. Bonk and Pepe. Okay, we did look at Pepe, but I will look at Pepe again because Pepe had the Indian crossover. The oscillator did crossover, which usually tells us, hey, bullish trend is coming. And it is a narrow crossover, but it does appear to be widening. So Pepe does give me a bullish sentiment. And then the same thing with Bonk, right? So Bonk, we got the long position on the triple G indicator on Bonk. The last time the long position came in on the triple G indicator, people got very, very lucky, right? So doesn't work out all the time, but when it does happen, and this happened on stream yesterday, you go, hey, something is happening here. And we're keeping an eye on it. And the Indian oscillator got narrow as well. So super, super nice. So love H bar, love Bonk, love Pepe, love all these. Let me see Bird's Eye Hot Gems. All right. Dex Tools. Show me that Bird's Eye Hot Gems. Birds. Wait, Bird Eye Hot Gems? You wait, Hot Gems here, you mean? Like these hot pairs? I think this is what you're talking about. Mickey Beam Gronk. Look at birdeye.so. Bro, are you about to freaking oh, there goes all of Teddy's there goes all of Teddy's thing. No, I'm just kidding. Birdeye.so. Yeah, very interesting. Find gems, new pairs, find trades. So what is it? Find gems? Oh, wow. What is this? Silly Dragon. Tricks are for kids. I remember you. Silly Dragon. Okay, so Bird Eye is for Solana. Nice. How do I change my chain? Okay, give me Ethereum. ENS. Find gems. So what? This tells me these are good things to buy. Decentraland. Holy Decentraland's up 200%. What? What is happening with Decentraland right now? Is this Decentraland? This is Decentracard. Mana is Decentraland. Teddy, you should have known that. Come on now. Come on now, Teddy. Birdeye.so looking pretty good. $19. You look at the all-time high at 29, almost $30. You started at $1. Oh boy, what is the LP ratio here? Bird Eye score is medium, its own token. And it says it's medium, bro. Yeah, I ain't feeling this one bit. What the hell? Where's the LP ratio? Show me this. FDMC, what is this? Market cap, fully diluted market cap, max total supply. Bro. Where's your LP? 24-hour volume. BTCW ETH. I don't know. Can't tell on this screen. Wait, give me your. Where do I grab your token contract? Here. Go back to Dex Tools. Go put it here. And this will tell me LP. Why are you hiding your LP from me? Just tell me your LP. 710K. Holy crap. This is a 1-to-1. It's basically a 1-to-1. This is really good. With only 391 holders? What the hell is going on here? BlackRock Trading. Okay, this is not even the same one that I looked at here. This says birdeye.so. Wait, so this name does not match? What the hell is happening? This interface is so confusing, bro. BTC is BlackRock Trading. Okay, so this is a true pair. Oh my God. It's not even the same thing. I clicked on some random one. Teddy, come on. Learn the interface. Teddy, you don't even know how to use it. All right. Well, 69 people viewed it. That one actually seemed pretty good, but now I'm thinking it's a potential rug pull. I don't know. PNDC. Ooh, this could be another one I could get into. Another name is the DEX for Solana. Wait, Bird Eye. No, Radium is the DEX for Solana. What the hell? Oh, is the DEX tools for Solana? Oh, okay. Got it. I just use DEX tools for Solana. I just go over to Solana. It's all the same thing. See? All right, guys. I'm not seeing anything else. This may be it. Oh, wait. And Fetch AI. I missed Fetch AI. One second. Let me look at Fetch. Teddy, I need to know. Fetch AI a year ago? Fetch AI 2 years ago? Oh my God, there's so many Fetch AIs. Teddy, which Fetch? Fetch AI. 70 cents. Okay. Let me grab the contract and go back. Pew. There it is. Wasn't even any of the ones that it came up with. Oh, wow. You're at the top Bollinger Band. That's pretty good. If you do retrace, try to catch that middle band, if not the lower band, and ride it back up, because Bollinger Band seems to be pretty good for this trading. You buy at the lower band, you sell at the higher band. See? Seems to work here. Yeah, I like this. How much are you up today? 71 cents. Dude, is this an all-time high? Yeah, wow. Look at you. Teddy, what are you most bullish on? I'm most bullish currently on XRP. And maybe I would say, if not XRP, BNB. These two really show an interesting potential in the altcoin season. And then when it comes to meme coins, I'm really getting bullish on Bonk for Solana, and then for Ethereum, or even Shibarium, if you will. Shiba Inu is definitely holding its own. Dogecoin, I'm having a tough time seeing continued price action there. If Elon doesn't do something, I'm losing faith, man. I need some help. Doge got to do something. Let me see. Yeah, but that is it, guys. I'm not seeing anything else. I am out of here. So remember, next week is only 2 streams a week starting next week. It's going to be a little bit different still, but I still love you guys and everything. There is no hate towards any of the goons. You have always checked in with me for, consistently. The goons have checked in with me 4 days out of the week, and I appreciate it. It is going to be a change. I'm going to be with you regardless. We're going to put out content, but it was a very long run we have done with 4 streams a week. So It is going to be a little bit of a change. I am looking forward to a change as well, to be checking in with you guys periodically rather than every day. But I am going to try and follow this YouTube SEO algorithm because I want to get back out of the shadow ban thing and really get the channel moving to get more goons to learn that, hey, we're making smart, informed decisions in crypto. And that's what this channel is all about. So, guys, thanks for making it with me to the end of the live stream. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero.
Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Get informed,